Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 21st, 2021. We're going to update you all on our price prediction in the market for Theta. You guys can tell, May the 18th, we did a price prediction. The price did not go the way that we expected it to go, and it goes that way. I mean, we will not get every prediction right, and this is one such indication that we got it wrong. We're going to talk about how do we get it wrong, at what point will we have known that our prediction was incorrect, and how can we alleviate that going forward so that we can become better predictors in the cryptocurrency space. Now, before I break all of that down, before I even tell you how Theta has attempted to try to break out and is it going to, make sure you hit the like button, share, subscribe here to the channel. We're not here to give you any FUD, any fear, any FOMO, any hype. We're here just to be in position so that we can win against the trap, right? We have no friends in the market. I want you all to think that people are here for your benefit. They're not. We're all are here just to take the money from someone else. And if you want to be part of our team, part of our community that we are building, doing just that, and how we are able to win and dominate this space, you need to join us. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. All right, so now real quick, let us see how the market in Theta did not go the way that we expected it to go. I mean, immediately, this have been relatively quick in our understanding as to how we got this wrong, right? Right there, May the 18th, we did our price prediction. The video is in our playlist, playing the strength into the market in Theta. The next day, take a look at the market volume, take a look at the price spread of the price bar. That was it right there. Now, we did see some slight movement back up to higher price in Theta, but only to our break-even price. I mean, the market could not even break above our break-even price of when we created our price prediction, right there around $10. So that is massive going forward, though, that we can use to our benefit so that we can make sure we stay ahead of the game. $10. Okay. So yeah, we didn't get it right. So if we were to get out right now into the market in Theta, we'll be down about 22, almost 23% in that forecast, right? But we learned, we got that. Once the market literally came the next day on the 19th and saw that massive drop on high volume, that was it. We already knew that the prediction was wrong, okay? Now, it was good to see that the market in Theta did come back up closer to minimize those losses. That's good. The weakness didn't continue after May the 19th. In fact, we saw it trade sideways and then the market price tread higher slightly. Okay, so let's take that away. And I already told you that $10 area in Theta is crucial. Okay, so we're going to create that as a restriction area. The market trap has identified to us on numerous occasions. He's letting us know, hey, I'm not able to break this price in Theta above $10 right now, right? And that tells us a lot. That gives us a lot of information. It tells us how weak or even how strong the market is. If the market price in Theta was hovering around that $10 price level, then we understand that the market is going to break it to the upside. But look at the price action today. We're down 11%. Okay. Now, let us use this line now to see if Theta is in an uptrend. Okay. What do you think? Are we in an uptrend into the market in Theta? Were we in an uptrend? Yeah, we were in an uptrend. But take a look at the price action today. We're breaking the line to the downside. So, are we breaking the trend now? Are we switching price direction? Can we anticipate the market to continue to go lower in price in Theta? Let's talk about it real quick. Let me look at this on a different time frame. Okay. Let me take away this line here. Three-day time frame. Again, you all can see. I just did a video in Dogecoin, and I told everyone on that particular video that I'm not really seeing an extreme amount of weakness in this space. Yeah, I mean, seeing it from a percentage basis, yeah, the market does look weak. Yeah, it is taking a hit to the downside, but when you look at this in relation to price, I mean, it doesn't look that dramatic. right? And another thing, we're not really seeing the volume pan out in terms of everyone trying to sell out in their currencies, in their positions. We're just not seeing that in terms of volume. So even though the news of today is that China is cracking down on Bitcoin and Bitcoin miners, don't let that fool you, right? If that really was having a major impact in this environment in the cryptocurrency space, then the volume will be appearing, and it's not. So everyone is not too worried about that. So that is not the reason why we're seeing these cryptocurrencies down double digits right now. It is just a play on the news. You know, they got to attach the weakness to some type of event, and they're trying to do it to China banning the Bitcoin miners, and it's not the reason. Just there's no one that wants to buy it. That's it. There's no one in the market willing to purchase these altcoins, these cryptocurrencies at these prices. And when that happens, you got to lower the price until you find that pinch point to where there are buyers, right? So now this is Theta on a long-term basis. You guys can see for the most part, we're still in the uptrend, okay? Now, this area right here, I would say like $7.20 to $7 is where I'm looking for the market support to come to, then all the way back down to $6. So those are the two support areas in the market for Theta. $7.20, next area will be $6. The weekly time frame in the market in Theta, you guys can see that the last couple of weeks we've seen weakness, right? So for us to be down 11% right now in Theta, let's not be surprised, right? These 2 weeks right here, you guys can tell that the market tried to break above $10 and it didn't do it. And the market always takes the least path of resistance. It does. And it tried 2 weeks ago to break it above $10 and didn't do it. So let's not be surprised that the market is weak and we're moving to the downside right now. Okay. 2 weeks time frame, market still here looks weak. 3 weeks time frame, same thing, but not extremely weak. Okay. Let's look at the 2-day. This is the 2-day time frame into the market in Theta. So again, I'm not too concerned with it. You know, I'm still pretty much looking for this currency to trade sideways around this vicinity from $10 back down to $7 to even $6. That's about it. Okay. So let's run that prediction right now. I know the market is already down 11.25. We're seeing the buyers trying to come through because of this area right here from June the 12th. Okay. So this is where the market is trying to hold its support price. Now we break this line to the downside, then we know what to expect. Back down to around $7. To $7.20, like I told you earlier. Okay. So let's go ahead and run this prediction real quick. Now, don't forget, the market will come back up to high prices. I mean, I think we're putting this prediction in on a little early. The market will come back up, possibly around this $8.28 area. Test that as restriction again. And then a resumption back down and lower prices will come through. So right here at $10 though is where we're going to continue to play. Theta continue to trade sideways and the market weakness continuing. Okay. Now I told you that $7.20 would be the area that we would come through in TP, take profit off the table right there to $7. That would give us 9.25% all the way back down to 6. Okay. So again, this is it. It's a very wide area. $10 as restriction. Like I told you, we can come back up to around $8.25, $8.50. Test that area to see if we're going to continue to break up higher price. But the market is anticipated to continue to trade sideways until we see price break back up above $10. The process of trading sideways and the inclusion of lower prices will be on the table until the market price breaks up above $10. All right, so that's it. We're in position now. This is our expectations going forward into the market. I want to know what you all think. You know, you're on our team, you're on our community. We need to give everyone in our camp a heads up as to where the market's anticipated to go. So I want you all to drop a comment in the comment section and tell everyone, where do you see the price in Theta going in the next 2 weeks? In 2 weeks, where will price be? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.